Good morning, people. I hope everybody is doing well. Welcome to my channel, Wayfarianfx, and today we will study with what is it for gold today. Now, as you see, since morning when gold has opened, it has already gone down and is back again to our point of discussion. So let's start with first to understand what it is, and before that, we will understand what the fundamentals are for today. Okay, so for today, I see that there is not important news. There is no such important news for today for USD, though for Euro and Australian dollar there is, and this, of course, will be there. You might see a Euro if somebody trades with Euro, might see a bullish momentum in Euro USD. Okay, for the initial period, but that's for it is good. However, so what we mean by this is, since today there is no fundamental news much, that means that the market will fluctuate technically. Now, when we say technically, it means that it will fluctuate in a range, correct? And these are the range which is there for today, which we will try and discuss. Now, as we see that gold actually fell down quite a bit since morning, it reached 2620 and then moved back again. Now, this is a very good support system with a fair value gap between 2624. Yeah, the same thing, 2624 to 2621 to 20. And this is a very good fair value gap. You can even consider 2625 in case if it doesn't, because it's a uh, however, as we see that this has been used, so considering the market, today the point of discussion been 2635.5. So what we mean by this is, if the market is below this and closes below this, then we will always consider sell. And if the market goes above this, then we will consider buy. So let's understand as to what are the things that we can try and sell. Now over here, if we see that if the market does not cross this, if it stays below this, we can always consider the sell, and we can go up to take your first profit at 2626. Okay, and then from there, just wait on for a while, and then you will see that the market will further then go down, and this is the major fall if it crashes down there. Okay, and we will understand why there is a possibility to go into the range. Now we see this range, right? It will try and touch this particular range today. Okay, so there is certainly a possibility of gold touching 2610. And considering how the dollar index fluctuates today, which seems to be very bullish, it has started the session with a gap, upper gap. So we expect it to certainly go a little high. So if that thing happens till evening, you will see 2600 as the broken point, because the market has tested. Now, let me just tell you, the market has tested this segment of 2625 many times, even in the past, right? If you look at 1 hour chart as well, there are many times that the market has been here and crossed here and just tried, and again over here as well. So this time there is a possibility that if it goes below 2625, there is a possibility it will just try and test the support of 2610 to 2612, which is very important. Yeah, it should test this, and like I said, you should book your profit in sell if it reaches till here, because today, since the market is range bound, right? And if it touches here, close your profit, wait for the confirmation, and then if it crashes down further, because if this thing happen, if this 2610 is crossed today, this support line is crossed today, which means that it will crash down further to up to 2595 as well. There is certainly a possibility, right? However, coming back, if the market goes above our point of discussion, that is 2635, if it goes above from here, then we know that the market will go up. Okay, and you can set your first take profit at 2642 to 43. Okay, and then from there you will see another moment which is going up to 2652 to 2656. So you can always still book your 80 to 90% of the profit here, 2652. Okay, and then wait for a while, as the market will try and come down and take the correction. However, if it is not able to fall down further, and if it crosses this, then you can expect directly the next area to be 2664 to 65 back again. So let's see this, and then after that, if it still doesn't stop, then we have the final point as 2685 to 83. All right. Now, this is where I want you to understand. Okay. So here's what the point of discussion is of 2635. If you see if the market goes below today than this, because as it is in the selling zone today, and it is still not crossing the 2635 mark. So today's the point of discussion and understanding is 2635. If it does not cross and go over and above this, then it will remain the sell position, and the possible chances are that it will break 2625 and reach 2610 as well. However, if it goes above this, then of course you know the area as 2645 and 2550 with 2665 and then 2685 as well. Now, the reason why we say this is because I see if you look at the dollar index, it has given an upper gap, and it seems to be a little stronger. One of the reasons why is you if you look at the war situations as well, it is kind of mellowed down. Like for example, there is a ceasefire, people are returning home, right, and all these things has happened because of a lot of involvement by the United States as well. And that is one of the reason why I feel that yes, there might be a chance that gold might show a bearish movement today, going downwards, right? However, it is market. No one knows what can happen. All we have to understand technically with the support and the resistance. Fundamentally, yes, if there would have been a fundamental news, then we know whether the news will give us the support or it will resist a particular movement, right? And that is how we get our support and the resistance as well. However, technically today, because it is range bound, so you might see gold fluctuating only between the range as discussed, and then you can always try and cover it up. All right, so that's all for today. Please do like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. That helps as a support, to make more videos. Or please ask your questions in the comments, and whatever you would like to know, any other topic that you would like to have the video on, I would certainly try to make that happen. Well, thank you so much. Do subscribe to the channel. You have a wonderful day, and God bless you all.